हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हो आप? वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस आंसर्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2A of paper 1 accounting of CA foundation exam June 2024. Link to videos related to the other questions of paper 1 accounting of CA foundation June 2024 is given in the description box below. Do check it out and let's start this video. So let's discuss question number 2A, which consists of journal entries related to rectification of errors in the books of Mr. Sarvesh Kumar as on 31st March 2024. Question says that the trial balance of Mr. Sarvesh Kumar as on 31st March 2024 did not tally and the difference was posted to suspense account. On a scrutiny of the books, the following errors were detected. This tells us that the errors were located and rectified after preparation of trial balance but before the preparation of final accounts. Hence, here we will use suspense account but we will not use profit and loss adjustment account. First transaction. The total of sales return book for January 2024 has been casted short by rupees 1000. This is an example of error of commission. Rectification entry will be sales return account debit 1000 to suspense account 1000. Narration being the correction arising from undercasting of sales return day book. Second transaction. Freight paid for installation of machine rupees 6500 was posted to the freight account as rupees 5600. This is an example of error of commission. Rectification entry will be machine account debit 6500 to freight account 5600 to suspense account 900. Narration will be being the rectification of mistake by which freight for installation of machine was entered in freight account with wrong amount and hence now corrected. Third transaction. Goods of the value of rupees 2500 returned by a customer were entered in sales day book and posted therefrom to credit office account. This is an example of error of commission. Rectification entry will be sales account debit 2500, sales return account debit 2500 to suspense account 5000. Narration will be being the correction of error by which sales return wrongly entered in sales day book but posted correctly in the customer's account and hence now corrected. Fourth transaction. Rupees 18,000 paid for purchase of old motorcycle for personal use of Mr. Sarvesh Kumar was debited to conveyance account. This is an example of error of principal. Rectification entry is drawings account debit 18,000 to conveyance account 18,000. Narration being correction of wrong debit to conveyance account for cash paid for purchase of motorcycle for personal use. Fifth transaction. Purchase of rupees 6700 had been posted to a creditor's account as rupees 6000. This is an example of error of partial omission. Rectification entry is suspense account debit 700 to creditor's account 700. Narration being the mistake in crediting the trade payables account less by rupees 700 now corrected. Sixth transaction. Receipt of cash rupees 5000 from Mr. Avinash was posted to the debit office account. This is an example of error of commission. Rectification entry will be suspense account debit 10,000 to Avinash account 10,000. Narration being the correction of mistake by which the account of Avinash was debited by rupees 5000 instead of being credited. Seventh transaction. A check for rupees 2500 received from Mr. Alok had been dishonored and was posted to the debit of Mr. Ashok. This is an example of error of commission. Rectification entry will be Alok's account debit 2500 to Ashok's account 2500. Narration being the correction of wrong debit to Ashok's account instead of Alok's account. 8th transaction. Sale of rupees 8,500 to Mr. Deepak was recorded in the sales book correctly, but while posting in ledger credited to his account. This is an example of error of commission. A rectification entry will be Mr. Deepak's account debit 17,000 to suspense account 17,000. Narration. Being the correction of mistake by which account of Mr. Deepak was credited by rupees 8,500 instead of being debited. 9th transaction. The total of discount allowed column in the cash book for the month of December 2023 amounting to rupees 3,800 rupees was not posted. This is an example of error of partial omission. Rectification entry will be discount allowed account debit rupees 3,800 to suspense account rupees 3,800. Narration. Being the correction of recording of total discount allowed omitted to be posted. 10th transaction. Sale of old office table for rupees 2,200 treated as sale of goods. This is an example of error of principle. Rectification entry will be sales account debit rupees 2,200 to furniture and fixture or office table account rupees 2,200. Narration. Being the correction of recording sale of old office table as ordinary sales. So this is all about the question number 2A, rectification of errors. Don't forget to like this video. How many of these you got correct? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, especially to those who just attempted CA Foundation June 24 examination. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. We'll meet in the next video. तब तक के लिए stay tuned with the commercial world of Yash.